Hi, this is Anu and welcome to my channel Anu Loves Art. In this video, let's learn how to draw some simple nuts and dry fruits. Hope you like the video. Let's start with these almonds. So look at the shape. So just observe and draw. Each almond looks different. Now if you observe the almond, you see this texture. It's mostly these lines. This looks slightly lighter. Maybe I'll use a darker shade. Yeah, this is better. First I'm just coloring the whole almond. Then I'll do the texture later on. Let's see if we can use a darker color to create those lines. These are quite prominent in these almonds. Adding some shadows here. And these are the almonds. Now these are walnuts. So they are actually somewhat like this, and then they have an outer shell, and when you break the shell you get these beautiful walnuts. So you can see the symmetry here. So I'll just draw a center line. You see this distinctly. There's a part here, and then again very intricate design here. Now let's do some inking here. It's almost like a butterfly. So this is the fun part because I've never drawn walnut before. This is the joy of drawing. You can just pick up anything. Even I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. Trying my best to get the shape right. Again, I'm not trying to be a perfectionist here. I just wanted to look like a walnut. Just giving the first coat, brown color. Let me paint the other two walnuts. Now typically if you want to add the depth, what I try to do is actually try to use a darker color towards the edge. Now this is the darkest area. So these are the walnuts. Quite complicated, challenging, but a lot of fun. Let's add some shadows. Now let's draw some pistachios. Wow, look at this beautiful color. So this is the basic drawing. Let's color the pistachios. Now look at the colors here. There's a nice red color here as well as here. Blending everything together. Now let's move on to this interesting part, the actual green color, the pista. It's more yellow than green. Yeah, this is still green. It should be more yellow, orangish yellow. Yeah, this is better. Green border. So these are our pistachios. Now these are anjeers, also called as figs. When they dry, you get them in this format. These are dry figs, anjeer. So we're going to draw them. So they look like this. Whole fig is converted into this disc format. Let's draw them. It's more or less like a disc. There is some texture here if you notice. These are probably the seeds. So this is just some basic detailing. I am drawing these seeds. Moving on to the next one. These are cashews. These are my favorite nuts. Let me know which one
is your favorite?
Looks quite different than usually draw, so it's still like a C-shaped. Very, very interesting shapes here. So these are the cashews. Let's color them, mostly light yellow, cream color.
These are some dried apricots.
They also have lovely texture.
So these are the apricots. These are the raisins, dried grapes, black and golden. Let's draw these raisins. So these are a few nuts and dry fruits. Very interesting project. So these are all the dry fruits. Get these textures of the fig, the intricate patterns of the walnuts, the shape of the almonds, the color of the pista, apricot, my favorite, cashews. It's a lot of fun, so give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Anu Loves Art. Until next time, bye bye.